Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Seat Leon 1.4 petrol. The removal of the serpentine belt can be done from here from the top, but I'll show you a little bit different way so that you can see where exactly the tensioner is and everything. So in order to get to the serpentine belt from the bottom, we need to remove the wheel and the mudguard. If the video is useful to you, please like and subscribe. And now we have access to the serpentine belt. The pulley that I'm putting the wrench on is the tensioner pulley. So we need to bring the tensioner pulley clockwise and it will release the belt. We'll just even put in a pin that will hold the tensioner pulley in place. And now we can freely remove the belt and put on the new belt. Like I said, this can be done from top of the engine, but I'm just showing you here the detailed version of how exactly it's done. And now we can put on the new serpentine belt. Then we'll use the wrench to move the tensioner to remove the pin, and just then the tensioner will tighten the belt. Thank you for watching.